Hello everybody, want to build a Google form right from your Google Sheets and have all responses autofill your spreadsheet? Let's do it on the 2 minutes. First, open the Google Sheets where you want the form responses to go. It can be a blank sheet or the one you have already started. Now from the top menu, select Tools and select Create a new form. This will open the Google Form Editor, allowing you to create your form, and the responses will automatically be saved in new sheet within your spreadsheet. With that, Google will instantly create a new form and link it to your sheet. A new tab opens with your form editor. Here you can add questions, change questions type, make things required, and even add sections. Back in your Google Sheets, you will now see a new tab called Form Responses. Every time someone fills out your form, their answer will show up right here automatically. To share your form, just click Send in the top right of the form editor, add the link and send it to whoever's need to fill it out. And that's how you create a Google form straight from Google Sheets, easy, connected, and ready to go. Hit like if this felt helpful, subscribe for more, hit Google tips, and comment below.